Welcome back to Eve's docu-series, where we bask in the ambience of nature. We enjoy wildlife and dive into faith in Jesus. Hey, how do you like the weather? Breathtaking, right? Let's go! God made us His creation so we can grant Him devotion. He is disappointed by our deviation, but still He is our redemption. To us He gave dominion, not to make the rest minions, but to take care of and give Him glory. He has our best interests, cause He is holy. Plant more trees, they cleanse the air we breathe. Take care of all animals. But above all, guard your heart, for from it comes the spring of life. Proverbs 4:23. You can only do that if you know the truth. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. The truth is His word, the Bible. Guys, we have arrived. I hope this was an encouragement to you. Let me enjoy the sunset here in the village as you subscribe, like, and comment. In 2 years, this calf will be mature enough to have its own calf. That was just a final. Thank you for watching. Bye.